Good afternoon, folks. This is Chad at Apsona. Um, Sometimes, in order for us to properly troubleshoot an issue that you might be having, we need to send information to our engineering team to analyze. And one of the things that's really helpful when we do that is to have what's called a HAR file, HAR, that they can use to analyze. So what happens is Apsona is a browser-based tool, and when it does its calculations and its operations, it's actually doing it in the browser. And recording a HAR file is a method of recording all of the code that's running in the browser while you're doing an operation. And sometimes that helps because it captures errors or other issues that might be going on that we can't see in the user interface. So today I'm going to show you how to record that type of file so that if we request it, it's easy for you to grab one and send it to us. Today I am in Chrome. I believe that there's a similar process in other browsers, but I use Chrome and most of our customers do, so we're going to demonstrate it in Chrome. So the first thing to do is get to the point when you're about to do the operation. So for this example, I'm going to run a merge action. So right before you're about to run the operation, you want to be in the Apsona, tab wherever you're experiencing the issue, and you're going to right click. That's going to bring up this menu, and then you want to go to Inspect. That is going to bring up this developer console on the right side. And what you want to do is go to the Network tab. I'll stretch this out a little bit so we can kind of see more real estate. And you'll notice that there's a little record button and it's currently recording. I can hit stop, I could start again. There's no real consequence to that. Um, but the main thing is to kind of make sure that it's a blank screen before you do your operation. So if you see any lines of code running when you come to the screen, you can click this little, crossed out icon, and that clears out the menu. So I'll do an example and I'll just kind of go to a different tab. There you can see a bunch of things running in the background, and I don't want that, so I can clear it out. So let me go back to the report that I was working on right here. I'll run that and it's doing some stuff, and I'll just clear it all out so it's nice and clean. Okay, so we are currently recording because I could see that little square that prompts me to stop, and it says stop recording network log there. Now what I'm going to do is, since I'm recording, is I'm going to run the merge action that I was going to demo. So I'll click merge action. I'll choose the merge action that I want to run, and I'll run it. And it's going to do its thing. You'll see all these lines of code that kind of start, and now my operation's done, and I'm ready to download the results. At this point, the HAR file is complete. There's no more code, lines of code running here. It's stopped. So I'm in a good spot. So now what I want to do is I want to stop the recording. So I'll click that and I'm going to download it. When you download it, it's going to prompt you in your operating system to save it. And I'll just do test and I will hit save. And oh, let me use a more unique name, test har file. I'll hit save. And then if I go to my OS and I pull up the folder, I can see here that I have test har file .har. So .har, that's the file, extension name. You want to see that. And that will be the item that you will send to us if we request it. And it's as simple as that. So thanks for your time. Have a great day.